3 ways to increase the cash flow in your rental home. Number 1, furnishings. You want to make sure you have nice flooring, nice paint, nice countertops. Obviously, if you're renting it furnished, furnishings matter. Number 2, know the area of this rental home and provide a list of things that the people can do that's renting your home out. Movie theaters, sports activities, different types of restaurants, shopping, that kind of stuff. Have a detailed list there so that the people don't have a hard time finding those things when they're renting your house. And number 2, activities there in your home. So let's just say in the backyard. Obviously, having a swimming pool is a big plus, but what if you don't have a pool? Having a grass area where the kids can go out and throw the ball around. I've seen big, gigantic chessboards, a barbecue eating area where people can kick around, fire pits, stuff like that. You want stuff that people are going to enjoy, and people will pay more for these things.